This video demonstrates how to use Deep Motion mocap animation for MMD models. Go to deepmotion.com. You can create any animation from video. Simply drag the video into the browser or select it manually. Tick Physics Filter, Face Tracking, Hand Tracking, change Motion Smoothing to 0.1. If your video only contains the upper body, remember to tick Upper Body Only option. Then click the Create button and Start Job button to create the animation. You can download it as FBX file when the task is finished. Then open Blender, import the downloaded animation. Create another window. Change it to text editor. Open the Python script linked in the video description. You can see there are mainly two functions. The first one deals with the shape key values, the other one renamed the old shape key names to MMD formats. Different MMD models may have different shape key names. You may need to modify these names manually. Here, I use Genshin Impact model for demonstration. We can see two models have different shape key names. For example, we need to find which MMD shape key corresponds to the jaw open. We can drag the value to see which part the shape key controls. Copy the MMD shape key and create a new mapping. The second function is used to tweak the recorded values. I only considered eyebrows, eyes, and mouth. For example, the MMD mouth shape key may correspond to two shape keys of Deep Motion model, including jaw open and mouth close. I simply make a difference between these two values and multiply them by a coefficient named larger C. Then I insert this value into the origin animation curve. The below codes move down the eyebrows when the character closes his or her eyes. Remember to select the human face, then we can click the play button or use Alt+P to run the script. It will modify the shape keys to MMD format. Oops, we need to set the end frame to the right place. Then run the script again. When it finished, export it as an FBX file. Assume the face animation is named as faceanimation.fbx, which is used for the model's face animation. We also need the include T-pose animation to drive the model's body. Drag them to Unity Editor. Change the include T-pose one to humanoid. Let's create a timeline game object. Select it. Go to Window, Sequencing Timeline to find our timeline window. Click Create to create a timeline. Add a Cinemachine track. Drag the virtual camera to it. Let's hide other characters. You can lock the timeline if needed. Where is Sino? Okay, let's hide him. Remember to set your MMD character to humanoid. Drag our girl to the timeline to add an animation track. Drag the body animation to it. You can see her body moving, but without face animation. Add an override track. We are going to drag our face animation here. Select the face animation clip, Ctrl+D to duplicate a new one. Double-click to open the face animation. Delete all the bone animations because we only need to override the face animation. In other words, we only need to keep the blend shapes. Drag it to the override track. There is still no face animation. Double-click it. You can see the yellow names. We need to make the name of the model's face mesh correspond to the name recorded in the animation clip. You can also change the name recorded in the animation clip to match your models before exporting from Blender. Then we can find out that some values turn into black, which will take effect. No face animation. Maybe we need to reopen the timeline. Voila! It works! This is the final comparison video. Thanks for watching. As always, stay creative!